If you're trying to build a booking form that integrates with your calendar and want it done fast, this is the video you've been looking for. I've tested all the most popular tools out there and I'll show you the fastest way to set this up in under 3 minutes. Stick with me to the end because I'll also share one thing that most people miss when connecting their calendar, and it can cost you clients if you overlook it. Let's get straight to it. First, head over to the software we'll be using. There's an exclusive free trial linked in the description just for viewers of my channel. No credit card needed, so you can follow along step by step with me. Once you're in, click Create Form or Booking Form. Name it something relevant like free discovery call or consultation with your name. Then start adding your fields. You'll want the basics: name, email, and maybe a short message field. But the magic happens when you add the mock calendar integration. Inside the form builder, look for the Calendar Sync or Availability option. Click it and connect your Google or Outlook calendar. You'll need to give permission once. Make sure to select the right calendar if you have more than one. Now set your availability. Choose your time zone, working hours, and how long each meeting slot should be: 15, 30, or 60 minutes. You can also add buffer times between meetings to avoid burnout. Next, add automated confirmations. This means every time someone books, they get an instant email confirmation. And so do you. Some tools even let you send SMS reminders, which reduces no-shows by a lot. Turn that on if it's available. Before saving, double-check the booking link. You can usually customize it, make it short and branded, like yourdomain.com book. Now hit publish and test it yourself. Book a dummy slot to make sure everything is syncing properly with your calendar. This is critical. Sometimes people skip this step and only realize it's broken after missing real appointments. Here's the key takeaway. A booking form is only as powerful as the calendar integration behind it. If your times aren't syncing live or you're not getting notified, you're setting yourself up for confusion or worse, missed opportunities. Quick recap. You created a form, added essential fields, connected your calendar, set your availability, enabled auto-confirmation, tested everything. Now you've got a booking form that works 24/7, even while you sleep. If you want to follow along with the exact software I used, the exclusive free trial is linked in the description, only available through this channel. Give it a try and streamline your booking system today.